Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to create fun animated social media content for your platforms. Are you looking for a guide on how to create fun animated content? Well, stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, so we are now in Canva. Sign up, sign in, boom, we're ready. You might be wondering, what do you mean by fun animated content? So what I mean by that is it's not static. So it's not just a picture and copy. It's not a video. It's just, animated. So like it's kind of like the mixture of both. And you don't need to use Photoshop. You don't need to use any editing software. All you need to do is, well, sign into Canva. And before we begin, I would want you to consider doing Canva Pro or trying it out. You can try it for free. It's very, very affordable. It's around $60 for the entire year, or $5.50 a month. So what do you get from Canva Pro? You get AI tools. You can design easier. Like what I said, you don't need to use other programs. You can scale your brand, kickstart your brand with pro templates for social logos and websites. Easily apply your brand assets to any design with Brand Kit and replace and update images and logos across designs in one click. So again, improve workflows, instantly resize social media content, plan and schedule your social content with Content Planner, and seamlessly import and transform your existing design files. And one of the most important things is you work in one workspace. So like what I said, you don't need to like export stuff from Photoshop, go to Premiere, upload it on YouTube, upload it here and there. Everything is here. Organize all designs, assets, videos with 1 terabyte storage. Develop designs, publish, and print all visual content in one place, which is very important, especially for people who are new. You don't need to go anywhere, and it's very easy to use. Easily integrate Canva into existing tools and socials. So they have AI tools. They have Magic Write, they have Beat Sync, they have Magic Eraser, Translate, Magic Edit, Draw, create animation, text to image, and so on and so forth. And as you can see, 240.90. Excuse me. This is in Philippine money. This is equivalent to like around $55-$60 a month, and you have $299 a month in Philippine money. This is like $5-$6, under $6. So that's how you get. That's what you're paying for. It's very, very affordable, and what you get is unlimited access to premium templates and 100 million plus premium stock photos, videos, audio, graphics, and much more. You have over up to 100 brand kits. You can resize. Yeah, again, we've gone over this. They have AI tools now. You can schedule social media content to 8 platforms. 1 terabyte of storage, and you have 24/7 customer service that can help you with whatever issues you may be having. So again, that's what you're getting with Canva Pro, and you can't you cannot opt for it, but it's very advisable because if you're going to use Canva for pretty much everything, yeah, Canva Pro is the way to go. So now we will go back to topic, which is create fun animated social media content, and just type in animated, right? As you can see here, animated social media. It's 1080 by 1080, which is square. Click on that. This can go for Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, any social media. It says here, elevate your social media with exciting animation made from free templates. Edit a template, play with animation styles, and dazzle followers with animated branded content. So like what I said, a marketing agency, tacos, for your dad, brand new furniture, music, festivals, restaurants, gyms. And you can make your own, but we're not here to make our own. So special guest. There you go. It's very easy, right? If you hover it, you're going to see the effect. Here, this is a pretty nice one, but it has paid content. So We really can't fix that, but we can see it up close. There you go. It's moving, right? There you go. It's pretty nice, right? But again, there are assets that are paid, so you can't really use it for free. This one is very static, but you can see it's just hovering there. Same with this. This, you don't really have that much. This is pretty nice. Authentication, feel the music. That's pretty cool, right? This. That's pretty simple, but I think it's enough for that. So you have a mixture of video and animation. As you can see, for rent, this is for a house. It's not moving. I don't know why. We can check it out. Let's check it out. I don't know why it stopped moving, but maybe it's behind coming from. I don't know. So some of them aren't moving. This one is moving. There you go. This is pretty nice, but again, it's behind paid content. This is behind Canva Pro. That's pretty clean. It's nice. May your coffee be strong and your Monday be short. Generate quality for a bag shopping site. Yeah, there's a lot of things you can use here, right? Happy birthday, new apparel. If you have a friend, you can do that. High balls. Quote. This is pretty nice. This is cool. Bit of water effect. It's pretty nice. So again, there's a lot of things you could use, right? And you can click on one of them. The ones that are free, if you're not opting for Canva Pro, which I think you should, click on this template so you can edit it. And here you can change whatever. You can change a copy. You can change the color. You can even change the background, right? Yeah, there you go. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.